Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get Discord 64-bit. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to the Discord website. So here you can see this is our Discord website. So once you reach here, what you have to do is click on this download button. So if you click on download button, you'll be redirected to this website. So when you click on download for Windows, the 64-bit version will be automatically downloaded. However, if you want to experiment more, here if you scroll down and click on this button, you can see there is an option to download the Windows 64-bit version from here as well. So if you click here, the 64-bit version will be downloaded. So if you are using other clients such as Windows 8 or Windows 7, so there were some versions available until July 15, but now they are removed. There were some options to download 64-bit version for Windows 7 and Windows 8, but it seems it is not available right now. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to get Discord 64-bit on your PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.